Cover the floor drain with a lid. Apply glass glues here. Adjust the bottom support feet up the base to the same height. Side opening, extend drainage pipe. Make a hole in the wall and extend the drainage pipe. Test whether the base is on the horizontal line. Screw both sides of the base to fix the bottom U-shaped, used to fix the wall panel. Wall fixed U-shaped groove, used to fix wall panels. Fix the other side of the U-shaped. Install the wall panel. Install screws inside to fix the wall panel. Fix the wall panel with L-shaped and screw it in. Decorative strips can be used to cover L-shaped corner. Install another wall panel where a door will be installed. Install the wall panel next to the door. Using iron sheets makes it easier to clamp the wall panels. Push forward. Secure the top wall panel. Install curved columns. Fix the wall panel with screws. Install the door. Install the door frame first. Screw the hole at the door to fix it. The junction of two wall panels needs to be fixed with screws. The curved pillar needs to be fixed with screws inside. The top of the wall panel is fixed with L-shaped corner pieces and screws, and both sides need to be fixed. The top of the wall panel is fixed with L-shaped corner pieces and screws, and both sides need to be fixed. Fix a lock.
Okay,